The northern Nigeria is undergoing a major transformation with groundbreaking projects that are reshaping its cities, boosting the economy and improving the lives of millions. From massive infrastructure developments to game-changing energy and industrial projects, the region is experiencing unprecedented growth. In this video, we will explore some of the most ambitious projects in northern Nigeria that are driving progress, creating jobs, and setting the foundation for a brighter future. Whether it's mega highways, modern rail network, or large-scale agricultural and energy projects, these developments are making a lasting impact. Stay with us to the end to see the most impressive project on our list. And if you are passionate about development and innovations, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and put on the notification bell for more insightful content. 7. Gusau International Airport. This is a game-changing project in Zamfara State. The Gusau International Airport in Zamfara is a highly anticipated project aimed at boosting economic growth and development in the region. The airport construction was flagged off by the Minister of Aviation and Aerospace, Festus Keyamo, in June 2024, marking a significant milestone in the project's development. Dauda Lawal, the executive governor of Zamfara State, have restated its commitment to rebuilding a new Zamfara that will reclaim its historical role as a commercial hub in northern Nigeria. The airport project includes the construction of a 3.4-kilometer primary runway suitable for large commercial aircraft, installation of runway lighting, and navigational aids. The Gusau International Airport is intended to be a smart airport designed to accommodate domestic and international flights, providing a critical gateway for the state and the entire region. It will have the capacity to land most aeroplanes. It is intended to facilitate more accessible and more efficient travel to and from Zamfara State, promoting social interaction, business and tourism. The project is being handled by Trata Nigeria Limited with JBI Tech Consult as the consulting firm. The project is expected to be completed by 2027. The Gusau International Airport will play a critical role in promoting economic growth, social interaction, business and tourism in Zamfara State and the surrounding regions. 6. Ajaokuta-Kaduna-Kano gas pipeline. The Ajaokuta-Kaduna-Kano pipeline is a 614 kilometers long pipeline being developed by the Nigerian National Petroleum Corporation (NNPC) to transport natural gas from southern Nigeria to central Nigeria. The $2.8 billion pipeline project represents phase 1 of the 1,300 kilometers long Trans-Nigeria Gas Pipeline project, which is being developed as part of the Nigeria Gas Master Plan to utilize the country's surplus gas resources for power generation as well as for consumption by domestic consumers. Nigeria Federal Executive Council approved the pipeline project in December 2017. The 614 kilometers long pipeline will originate at the Ajaokuta Terminal Gas Station in the Kogi State in southern Nigeria and pass through Niger State, the Federal Capital Territory, and Kaduna to terminate at the gas station at Kano. The pipeline will cross 7 major rivers and 10 major roads along its route. A consortium of 2 local companies, including Oando and OSF, was awarded the engineering, procurement and construction contract for the Ajaokuta-Abuja section of the pipeline in April 2018. 5. Kano-maradi rail line. The project, which is a standard gauge railway line of about 284 kilometers, will connect 3 federal states of Kano, Jigawa and Katsina with the city of Maradi in the Republic of Niger. The line has been designed to pass close to major cities, towns and villages without dividing them, to facilitate public transportation and to stimulate the development of the agricultural economy and manufacturing industries along the corridor, as well reduce the cost development. The project is planned to have a total of 15 stations, including Maradi. The rail line, which has a branch line to Kano Dosh, is important because of its potential in harnessing raw materials and agro products along the corridor. The project, when completed, will serve domestic industries and play the role of a viable transportation backbone, linking countries in West Africa's sub-region, starting with the neighboring Niger Republic for their import and export logistics chain. In the process, the volume of trade in the country will increase while promoting the realization of Nigeria interests on the Africa Free Trade Single Market Area formulation. 4. Kano-Kaduna Rail Line. The Kano-Kaduna Rail Line is a 203 kilometers long railway line, and it will be designed with standard gauge. Once completed, it will provide direct rail connectivity between Kano, an important northern city in Nigeria, and the country's capital, Abuja, offering local residents a safe, efficient, and convenient mode of transport. Once the $1.2 billion project is complete, it will deliver a direct connection to Abuja. The standard gauge line is being constructed by the China Civil Engineering Construction Corporation Limited. The construction of the project started in July 2021 and currently reached more than 22% completion. This railway will also promote the development of the country industry sector along the route and create new job opportunities. The financial support is being provided by the China Development Bank. This project is expected to be completed in 2026. 3. Solar power project in northern Nigeria. Northern Nigeria have been facing significant power challenges, with many parts of northern Nigeria lacking quality supply of electricity. To put an end to this problem, several solar power projects are being developed across different regions, with a total installing capacity of 1,000 megawatts. The project is being implemented by the Nigeria federal government in partnership with private sector investors and international development agency. The solar power project in northern Nigeria is a significant renewable energy initiative aimed at harnessing the region's abundant solar resources to generate clean and sustainable electricity. The project is part of the Nigerian government effort to diversify the country energy mix and reduce its reliance on fossil fuels. The project will reduce greenhouse gas emissions, contributing to Nigeria's commitment to reduce its carbon footprint. 2. Gwagwalada Independence Power Plant. The Gwagwalada Independence Power Plant is among the NNPC flagship power projects along the AKK corridor. This is part of the 3,600 megawatts cumulative power capacity, which includes Kaduna Independence Power Plant and Kano Independence Power Plant. The project will be delivered in collaboration with General Electric as the original equipment manufacturer and China Machinery and Engineering Corporation as the engineering, procurement and construction contractor. As a combined cycle gas-fired power plant, the Gwagwalada project will be built on 547 acres of land in the capital. It was reported that the building of the project will take place in three phases. Each phase will include three power trains blocks with 450 megawatts of power generating capacity. The Gwagwalada project will generate 10.3 million megawatt-hours of electricity annually. The power will be sold under a power purchase agreement with Nigeria Bulk Electricity Trading. It will then be supplied to distribution companies under long-term agreements and via direct sales to major off-takers. The project will be fueled by natural gas produced within the country. 1. Abuja-Kaduna-Kano Highway. The Abuja-Kaduna-Zaria-Kano Road is a critical carriageway that connects other parts of Nigeria to the north. It cuts through FCT, Niger, Kaduna, and Kano states. The carriageway is a 375.9 kilometers long with three sections. Section 1 is 165.5 kilometers long and cuts across Abuja to Kaduna. Section 2 is 73.4 kilometers long and cuts across Kaduna to Zaria. Section 3 is 137 kilometers long and cuts across Zaria to Kano. The original scope involved the rehabilitation of 92.5 kilometers across three sections of the 375.9 kilometers dual carriageway. The original scope was completed in November 2021. On June 18, 2020, former President of Nigeria, Muhammadu Buhari, directed that the scope of the Abuja-Kaduna-Kano road project will be changed to full reconstruction of the entire stretch of 375.9 kilometers. The revised scope of the project attained an overall completion of 59% across 3 sessions as of the first quarter of 2024. So guys, I've come to the end of this video. Hope you find this video quite interesting and informative. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye.